A network of civil society groups and farmers in the agricultural sector have met in Accra to discuss the impact of genetically modified organisms in Ghana.
Now, the American Academy of Environmental Medicine says there are health risks and potential environmental dangers associated with genetically modified products. The participants therefore urged the government to ban GM products since its negative impact outweighs the positive. So, Kokakuchire reports.
Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are made by mixing genes from one species such as bacteria, viruses, animals or humans with DNA of a food crop or animal to introduce a new trait. Even though there are benefits derived from GMOs, the American Academy of Environmental Medicine reported that several animal studies indicate serious health risks like kidney and liver function problems associated with GM food.
These changes usually come with some potential problematic health and environmental challenges.
The long-term effects of GMOs are not certain, although pests targeted by these agricultural methods can adapt to pesticides and herbicides in addition to the DNA changes in GM plants.
It is clear that from scientific tests in America and other places that yes, there's evidence that it has health impacts. They've done a test on rats, for example, because rats are animals that grow very fast, and so it shows much more faster, more than, let's say, in a human being. It has shown that it has effects. Some of them are cancer producing, it's producing all kinds of allergies, especially in America, where they say 50% increase in allergies, and there are new diseases that are coming up that doctors cannot diagnose, and they are linking it all up into genetic food that we're eating.
Some farmers expressed worry about the rate at which different types of GM seedlings have found their way onto the Ghanaian market. They said because the products have not been labelled, it may be difficult to differentiate between non-modified seeds and genetically modified ones.
I don't think it's good for we, the farmers, the local farmers. The government should ban them, because right now, if it is not labeled, it cannot be banned, because we don't know the difference between the GMO seed and the locals, because they all look alike.
Anytime we hear people talk about GMOs, they say that they are yet to know the consequences as to whether it is going to affect us or relieve us. So till that time, I wouldn't go in for GMO.
There has been talks by government to find ways to address food security and hunger. But does the solution lie in GMOs?
Personally, I would say no. Because the problem of food in Ghana is not just about seed. There are many things that is preventing us from being able to feed ourselves.
In spite of the lack of evidence for potential adverse effects of GMO production, most European countries do not grow GM crops as a precautionary principle to ban GM crops. Ghana can follow suit. Soyokwo Kwakuchre, GTV News, Accra.